Today I'm going to show you the solution to the playing card puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is inside level 22. And once you're inside level 22, there's a chest just there, so tap on there once and tap on it again to reveal the puzzle. And all you need to do is to get the bottom 4 to match those card suits across the top there. And I'm going to show you a simple 3-step move to solve this puzzle. So first of all, you're going to tap on the club, and that moves some of those cards around. Next, we'll tap on the spade. And finally, to solve the puzzle, I'm going to tap on that club again. And there we go, the puzzle's solved. The chest is open, and then I can retrieve the things out of the chest and continue on solving this level. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.